What's up guys, I'm 7beats and in this video I'm going to show you my new Afro Future Melodies MIDI pack. So I've added some really awesome melodies to this pack and just marked them with the key they're in, and you can see you can create a full track just using, for example, these. But I've also added some chords to this pack which you can use and just play around with it and just change and make some adjustments, which I think is really important when it comes to the creative process when creating beats. So right now I'm going to show you a preview of one of these samples. So it's this chord progression with those guitar chords, and I've added the guitar melody, and this MIDI file is included in the sample pack. So these types of melodies are included in the sample pack, so the chord progression, an extra melody, and a top melody, which in this case is a guitar melody. And you can play around with this one, still edit it and use the guitar yourself and just play around with it. So I hope you guys enjoy my new pack.